If a guy's got these on, it's probably gonna be quiet. But if homeboy comes through with these, homeboy is gonna like, get it. Hey guys, what's up? It's Alan and I'm back with another video. I'm running out of interesting ways to say welcome back to my channel or I'm back with another video. First off, I have a shopping haul from Levi's. Now the one that I'm wearing right now, this t-shirt, is from the Justin Timberlake's Fresh Leaves collection. Full sleeved black t-shirt with Levi's branding there. All black. It's got actually kind of like a camo kind of a print that gives it like that washed out look. I'm pretty sure you guys can see that. Man, just wash my hair again. Let me just tie it. Man, fuck this shit. I can't be bothered. Let's just go ahead with the video. Alright, I'm gonna take you through the Levi's shopping haul first. Now, the first thing that I need to take you through and that caught my attention like crazy are these joggers. Now, this is the new collection. It's the Levi's Engineered Jeans joggers. The Levi's patch right here. It's rubber and it's freaking melted into the product, for lack of a better word. It's right there in the product. And you're gonna ask me what's so special about these joggers. Think of Flyknit or PrimeKnit. Yeah? Now think of joggers made of that fabric because it's got this crazy knit. And the cuffing is actually part of the joggers and not like a separate elasticated band. So it's got varied degrees of intensity of the knit. And it gives you like a four-way full movement. Best part, comes with cargo pockets, zippers for the front pockets right here, and you have this Levi's registered mark right there on the ribbing of the back pocket, which is what will let you know that this is so much like Flyknit. Try them on, quite skinny, good for a tapered fit with your running sneakers. I'm happy. Something that I picked up from the Supersonic Music Festival Tailor shop is the screen printed dogs accept people for what they are. And the Snoopy logo. Not available in stores. If you want to pick these up, you'll have to go to one of the Tailor shop events. And of course, this is the one t-shirt that I've been waiting for a really long time. The Lazy Tab. Another Batwing. This time with the entire Peanuts gang right there. You would have seen my videos. You would have read my blog post about my favorite jeans to wear with sneakers. That's the 512. So I picked up another pair, like an indigo wash, of the 512 slim paper. It's got like a slightly different detailing on the back pocket right there. Last but not the least, I got the 501 original Peanuts collab jeans. So you see this patch right here, it's all yellow and the tab as well is yellow, like instead of a red tab right there. And you have this cutesy no dogs allowed on the beach print right here on the thigh. And that wraps up my Levi's haul. Shout out to the guys at Levi's for always showering me with so much love. I know it's at gunpoint most of the time, but thank you anyway. Now since the sneaker, like you can see on the title of the video, is the Gigi Hadid Aztrek, I think it's only fair that I draw comparisons with the OG Aztrek. Now this is like a triple white cobalt blue and a Volt Classic Aztrek from the 90s, 93 I guess is when it dropped, and they've made quite a comeback this year. And what Gigi Hadid has done is taken the sneaker and given it her own personal twist. So here they are, very different from the regular Reebok Classic box. All black, no lid, it's a slide out UK 8. And as I slide this box open, if you're new to the channel you guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button right there. And if you liked my shopping haul from Levi's, Classic Aztrek or the Gigi Hadid Aztreks, give this video a thumbs up. There you have it, the Gigi Hadid Reebok Aztrek Double. Okay, first impressions first. I love this sneaker. Now, when I saw teased images of the Gigi Hadid Aztrek Double, I was like, man, it's a Gigi Hadid shoe. What's gonna be so great about it? And then I saw an actual pair in my hand. So shout out to the guys at Reebok for hooking me up with these. Now, if I hold these side by side or one above the other, you can see that the overall silhouette remains the same. It's just that the materials have changed a little bit and the shoe sole looks a lot more chunkier. Like for instance, the outsoles are the same. Yeah, I've worn it. Couldn't wait to do the video. So you have your regular Hexalite sole and you can see that beehive kind of a detailing right there. So it's there on both these soles with the Reebok branding. It's just like the color blocking has been changed over a little bit. Like Gigi has added this orange thing here, but which isn't present on this specific Aztrek, but then I know for a fact that other colorways of the Aztrek have that colored hit right there. So overall, the sneaker looks the same, but I don't know how they managed to bring in so much of difference, because like for instance, the paneling is almost the same, right? Wherever you have nylon on these shoes. Wherever there's leather, it's leather. I mean, this one is suede. This one is a mix of suede and regular leather. The color blocking is obviously different. The shape of the sole overall is the same, but you see this detail difference where it's got this extra cut right here, which isn't present on this Aztrek sneaker. Also the detailing on the midsole, very different from each other. The insole on this one is a basic white. The insole on this one is that aquamarine blue, like you see on the outer, and it's got the Reebok into Gigi Hadid branding. The tongue as well has like a neoprene kind of lining on the inside. Same goes to the sock liner, and the tongue has the branding of Reebok and Gigi Hadid. The branding carries over to the laces where it says Gigi again. Also, the Gigi Hadid shoes come with an extra set of laces that go with the color right there. But I'm gonna keep these black laces on. Now, the Aztrek is a classic runner from the 90s. I don't think there's anything I can tell you that's out of the ordinary. They're super comfortable. I've worn them a fair bit, both these pairs. As you can see, they're super comfy, which is why I really wanted to get my hands on these Gigi Hadid Aztrek Double. Sizing runs true like on any other Reebok. It's kind of roomy and comfortable. You don't need to go up a size. The price point is about 10,000 Indian rupees, which is, I think in dollars it's about 110, and in euros it's about 129. A very nice price point for a really nice chunky sneaker. I mean, I fell in love looking at the shape of it. I'm in love with the shape of you. Speaking of Ed Sheeran, do you know that his music is banned in Indonesia? What the hell? Anyway, I'm gonna slip these on feet to show you what they look like. Until the next time, you guys, peace. Ah man, I don't know how I didn't notice this, but there is actually a very massive visible difference in the sole heights. You see how the Gigi one is more like a platform, it's that big and chunky. The regular Aztrek is just regular. These bits right here are all 3M hits. It's there on either pair. That carries on to the heel section where you have 3M hits here and here. Remember how in my previous video I said the Oplite has a toe box that's very similar to the Aztrek? Do you see what I'm talking about? It's got the same nylon mesh and leather paneling, except that the Oplite doesn't have this peak over here like on the Aztreks.